hard to keep it at
And you gotta slam on the brakes the entire time.
You're so tall. Yes. I'm so short.
You're taking pictures as we walk out.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking video.
as we're
I'm
walking.
stealing all the company secrets. Oh! I'm gonna open up my own Woodies.
Eric has a good Woody waiting for you.
Oh yeah.
Don't you?
Fortunately, I already have a headache. I'm too tired. I drank too much Diet Coke. Oh, it's so cold here. Are they trying to kill me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
That was the whole purpose of the cold weather. Yeah, exactly.
What the hell? I thought we had climate change. Oh, freezing. Now we're just watching Chelsea and Mike jaywalk. Mike, your butt's taking up the whole camera. Yeah, donkeys. Chelsea's just walking so fast because she's talking crap.
Don't be jealous.
It's hard to, you know, follow people with a camera. Don't let the batteries fall out.
How do you feel?
Good.
Good.
Yes. Well, cold actually. And I've had to pee a lot tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you excited about tomorrow?
Yes, I am excited about tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm having cake.
Besides cake, what are you doing tomorrow?
I'm getting my nails done.
And after that?
Chelsea's getting her hair done.
Okay, and then after that?
I'm getting my hair done.
What's the big event that's taking place tomorrow?
The cake.
Before the cake.
Oh, I have to get married in order to get the cake.
Of course, I mean, you know, that would just be wrong.
Yes, I have to get married in order. Hey, Chelsea, you got your own store.
Yeah.
Chelsea of London.
That does not look like one.
That doesn't look like lingerie.
No, yeah, look, there's lingerie.
That's hardly lingerie, huh? That shows way too much skin for lingerie.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Chelsea would know all about that. Oh, it's open mic night on Tuesday if you stay here long enough. Can't believe you're videotaping. These are powerful people.